Good morning and welcome to AGORACOM Small Cap Stock News TV. It's Monday, November the 18th, 2013. I've done my morning routine. I've gone through a bunch of press releases. I've found a few good ones for today. I'm Alan Barry Labucan. I'm the Chief Market Commentator for AGORACOM. And our usual show is around 10 minutes. I think I'll be a little under that because only have 3 companies to cover today. Although there's only a few, there's some good stuff in there, so we'll get right to it. First company today is Integra Gold. Integra Gold has a project in Val-d'Or, Quebec, called their South Triangle Zone, or their Lamac Gold Project, and they're drilling on their South Triangle Zone. They drilled nearly 7,000 meters in 13 holes. Some of those holes returned grades like 4.5 meters of 4.70 grams per ton gold. They had a 7-meter intersection of 13.29 grams per ton gold, a 4-meter intersection of 22.11 grams per ton gold, a 6-meter intersection of 10.54 grams per ton gold. So some very good numbers in those drill results. You can find that on the company's website. Stock is up a half a penny today to 22 cents. Fairly decent volume, 126,000 shares traded. Just looking at their stock chart, and they've been doing very well since, I would say their bottom was, they started moving up off of their bottom in August. They were trading around 16 cents, let's say. Traded up to 25, recently has given back some of those gains, but it does look like I'm seeing some good things in the trends that suggest to me that they should be going to the upside in the not too distant future. The stock symbol on that one is ICG, and that trades on the Venture Exchange. Next company is Nevsun Resources. Nevsun Resources announced some drilling results from their Bisha Mindshare Company processing plant. Their project is in Eritrea, East Africa, and their Humbok project, is the name of that project. They had some good results there. They had a 20-meter intersection of 1.68% copper with 2.61% zinc, 0.23 grams per ton gold, and 3.73 grams per ton silver. Some interesting numbers there. Nevsun's stock is down 2 cents today to $3.63. Just looking at their chart, and they made a bottom back in July. They've been doing a lot better since then. Back in July, they were trading as low as $2.75. It looks like. And then had a very good run to as high as about $4 and let's say $4.05. They've given back some of those gains, but it's now testing that 50-day moving average. If it can hold that, I think that you'll continue to see a good move in this stock. Nevsun's symbol is NSU. That's NSU, and they trade on the Toronto Exchange. And the final news release today is from Kennady Diamonds. Kennady Diamonds announced the first batch of results from their mini bulk sample that they took. I think the total number on that was about 5,000 or 30. They have 3.45 tons of kimberlite, and they processed 1.5 tons of that so far, and they had a very excellent results. Some very good sized stones in the larger than 0.85 screen size and or sieve size, and that's a very good number. They had good distribution of those bigger stones. The sample grade is 5.37 carats per ton, which is an extremely good number. It's not quite as high as their earlier samples about a couple months ago, but the earlier sample had a very large stone in it that kind of skewed the numbers upwards. And this one, if you sort of compare the last batch with this batch, they're right on the money. And regardless of what the ultimate grade is, 5.37 carats per ton is a very high grade in the diamond business. So looks like they've got a winner at their Kelvin kimberlite there. Excuse me, in the Northwest Territories. This is a 100% owned project. They only have 22 million shares out. It's down 24 cents today, but it's moved up pretty dramatically as they were anticipating these results. They moved from $6.40 to almost $9 recently, or $8.59 recently, and that was over a couple-week period. So they're giving back a little bit on sell on news kind of a situation, but this is a very exciting project and not a lot of stock out on a company with a outstanding project. I like its chances to continue to move up over the medium and long term. You know, in the short term here, I think we're just going to see a little bit of profit taking. In the short term, I'm talking about week, 10 days kind of action. But I like Kennady Diamonds project a lot at their Kelvin kimberlite. So that's the news for today. Only had 3, but had some real good ones in there. Join me tomorrow for the news show. If you wanted to see our Friday show that we just had out, George and I did a bunch of picks for our best of the best in weekly news. Just go to blog.agoracom.com. That's blog.agoracom.com, and you'll see. Just scroll down and you'll see that that player for our best of the best in weekly news that just passed on the 15th of November. So have a great day. Oh, before making any investment decisions, it's important for you to do your homework and speak with your financial advisors. On that note, have a great day. We'll see you tomorrow.